Hello everyone, my name is Diego and welcome to a new video of I will teach you how to trade. In today's video, I will talk about the overall market condition and the hottest stocks for the next week. So I'm gonna start first talking about the overall indexes. We have seen a rally up throughout almost the whole month, 3 weeks. And this is the S&P, for instance. We see that the S&P is reaching a resistance point here. So most likely we would expect a pullback, and that would mean that 3 out of 4 stocks will pull back along with the overall indexes. So my position right now is to don't add more exposure to my portfolio, or not adding new stocks, or not investing or not trading new stocks until to see what happens next, if we get a pullback or if we continue the rally. I just want to put all the odds in my favor and wait for the market to decide what's gonna do, right? So yeah, potential resistance point around the 410 price, so just watch out for that. Then we have the Nasdaq as well. We can see here the Nasdaq, it broke this huge resistance point, or this resistance line, but now again it is reaching, this is the 200 EMA, it is reaching or actually overpassed the 200 EMA. So, and is reaching a huge resistance point as well, as you can see, like here, potentially here another resistance, here resistance. So, and the 200 MA, as you can tell as well, works as a resistance, like here, well, not here, almost, and here. So again, the S&P and the Nasdaq are showing signs of potential resistance, and probably they will pull back in the next few weeks. So I don't think it's worth it to add new names to your portfolio, or to my portfolio, at least that's my opinion. So I will just wait to see what's gonna happen in the next week and then go from there. With that being said, I'm gonna share what the hottest stocks for this week are. So I'm gonna start first with TMDX. I am, if you follow me on Twitter, I've been posting about TMDX. I am actually holding a position on TMDX. So, and very constructive movement. It actually closed the week doing higher highs, which is really good. Actually, I'm gonna to give you more context, here is TMDX. We are looking at a weekly chart, as you can see. Good industry group, number 34. We have strong sales acceleration, very constructive, as well as funds acceleration, very constructive as well, and good management ownership. What else? Well, RS rating doing higher highs, well, RS line doing higher highs, and RS rating 99, so it is outperforming 99% of the stocks out there, and the S&P as well. So very I really like the study of this stock. However, we need to confirm this on the chart, right? The story on the chart, to validate if it's true or not. So we can see here that it broke, actually the last week, it broke from this base. So again, very constructive, is doing higher highs, and as you can tell, big volume breaking out, which is very meaning institutional support, or institutions, hedge funds, etc., are buying the stock, so, or accumulating the stock. So very constructive. So yeah, currently I'm holding this position, a position on this one. Let's see what happened with the overall markets reaching a resistance. Let's see if it continues going up or it pulls back down along with the markets. I will have to manage my risk on that one, so I'll keep you posted. That was TMDX, and the other one was, one second, AMLX. AMLX here. So I'm gonna start with the industry again. Good industry group, number 15, medical, biomedics, sorry. Oh, well, it looks weird here, but it has good sales. Let me just refresh this. I don't know why it's looking like that. Oh, there you go. Okay. Sales, okay. Usually biomedics doesn't have earnings, or they don't report earnings, but I like to look at the story as well, just in case. But yeah, strong font acceleration on the last 3 quarters, which is very constructive. But let's look at the chart, which is the most important thing, the price action and volume. So you can see here how the RS line is doing higher highs as well, meaning it is outperforming the overall market. Very constructive story. RS rating of 99 as well. It is outperforming 99% of the stocks. It's really good as well. And you can see how it formed this little like this base, if you will, and it ripped up. So it broke above this base in high volume, as you can tell here. On high volume, sorry. So very constructive as well. We want to see high volume going out or breaking out of the base, like a rocket going through the spaceship. We need like a lot of power to see it come through, right, or go out. But yeah, I am looking at this one. I am not currently holding a position in this one. Actually, I would say it's a little bit. I am on the daily right now. I would have bought, sorry, here out of this pivot. You can buy here, it's still within the base, right? My only thing is I don't want to chase it for 2 things. First, if the overall markets pull back down and this one follows, I don't want to get stopped out or chop the trade because it's already like out of the base. Instead, if I would have bought like here at this price, well, maybe I will have some caution or some room for it to come back down and then continue rallying up. So right now, I'm not gonna chase it. I'm gonna see what happened with the overall market, and I'm gonna see if it pulls back to this little like pivot base. But yeah, those are my 2 hottest stocks for next week and my take on the overall markets. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Let me know. I will appreciate your comments about what are you currently holding in your portfolio, or what's in your watch list for next week. And yeah, see you in the next one.